MAPSA MLA Joshua D'Souza has proposed the government to have all offices in the MAPSA Bhavan to facilitate locals. He has said that work on MAPSA Bhavan will not be just for the locals of MAPSA but for the whole of the Bardesh Taluka.
Myself have decided to move a proposal to this government to have an administrative building at the same premises that will accommodate all the government offices under one roof. The property that is here is above 4,000 square meters, I believe. And if we are able to have one big administrative complex, it will accommodate each and every government department under one roof. It will provide a lot of convenience to all the citizens of not only MAPSA but the entire Taluka of Bardesh. It will serve as a one point stop so that everybody can come and get everything done at one place. So that is the idea behind it. Also, we can have a parking facility underground that can accommodate parking for this entire market area, which can be charged on a nominal basis. As there is a high turnout of vehicular movement here and there is a high demand for parking, it can also provide revenue to maintain the building and the facility which provides the parking. After getting every department under one roof, the convenience for the citizens will be it will be beneficial for them, because they do not need to run from one building to another. They can come and the organization of the entire system can be such that from the first floor right up till the 7th floor or 10th floor, however many floors we propose, each department can be accommodated on each floor, allowing the end users, the consumers, to have a smooth passage to whatever works. Right now, here is the land survey, the deputy collector, the sub-register is at another location, the RTO is at another location, the PWD is at another location, the electricity department is at another location. So if we have everything under one roof, they can either pay all their bills at one place, or they can get all their things done. Suppose from land survey they need sometimes during the sale deed they require a NOC from the TCP. So from there they have to come here, get that done, go back over there. If it is not okay, they have to come back again. So that convenience, they will save that time, and I think it will benefit the entire area, and not only MAPSA constituency but the remaining 7 constituencies around.
Today, अशें आसलें की बार्देस भवन म्हणून पर्वरी दिवपाक म्हणून प्रपोजल मूव केल्लो आदल्या रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टरान. खंय तरी आमी तेजेर ऑब्जेक्शनूय हाडलेलें, म्हणजे एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टराक सांगलेलें की बार्देस म्हणजे सगळे लोक म्हापसा येता, शॉपिंग जावं, मार्केटिंग जावं, फिश जावं, वेजिटेबल मार्केट जावं, बाकीचे सगळे आतां सद्याक ऑफिसीस म्हापसा. सो बार्देस भवन जे पर्वरी येवपाक आसले ताका आमी सांगलेलें एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टराक की म्हापसा आमचे कडेन प्रिमायसीस ऑलरेडी आहा, ही सेम प्रिमायसीस हॅज टू बी ब्रोकन डावन. आयज जेन्ना बाब जोशुआ कडेन हांव उलयलो की तूं GSIDCचो वायस चेअरमॅन आसतना हेचे फावंडेशन स्टोन आतां घालून काम स्टार्ट जावपाक जाय. आमी चीफ मिनिस्टरा कडेन हाडया हिंगा, say around 8-10 days and 15 days we'll bring the Honorable Chief Minister over here, show him how people are having difficulty even to stand in this building. उबे रावपाक जायना हिंगा. जेन्ना पीक आवर्स आसता, ऑल मामलादार कोर्ट्स बिजी आसता, डेप्युटी कलेक्टरचे कोर्ट बिजी आसता, इतले लोक हिंगा येता की उबो रावपाक चलपाक जागो ना. जागो आहा आमच्या कडेन. सो ही बिल्डिंग डिझायन केल्ली 40 years बॅक म्हणटा पळय थंय, म्हणजे त्या टायमा वयल्या लोकांक. आतां आमकां जागो व्हडलो जावो, आमकां लोक वाडलेले आहा, नॉर्थ गोवा आख्खे लोक हिंगा येता. सो सो ऑल ऑफिसीस अंडर वन रूफ जे बाब जोशवान सांगला ते जावपाक जाय. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट पासून जे थिंगा आहा तांकां एक फ्लोर कंप्लिटली दीत जाल्यार पुरो जातले. 4 लिफ्टी घालपाक जाता. डबल बेसमेंट घालूंक जाता, डबल अंडरग्राउंड बेसमेंट. सो अराउंड 400 to 500 कार्स फीट जातल्यो येदे व्हडले बिल्डींग जो तरी येत जाल्यार. ऑल प्रॉब्लम्स ऑल्सो विल बी सॉल्व. फुडल्यान फिश मार्केट आहा, वेजिटेबल मार्केट आहा. सो when people come to म्हापसा everything under one roof अशें जातलें. सो हें करतलो जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता प्लॅनिंग कन्सल्टंट सगळे JSIDCन बेगीतले बेगीन अपॉयंट करपाक जाय. once CM gives the go ahead signal, and in the next 6 months the foundation stone should be laid, and we have other government building ready within म्हापसा. We can shift all these things over there for time being, say within 1 year. 1 वर्सान रेडी जाता बिल्डिंग कमर्शियल. 1 वर्स मॅक्सिमम 1.5 वर्स तेजी वयर गरज ना. आनी हें जायत जाल्यार आख्खे म्हापसा सिटीकूच न्हू आख्खे बार्देजाकूच न्हू फूल नॉर्थ गोवाक हेचो फायदो जातलो. इट्स अ वन टायम इन्वेस्टमेंट फॉर गव्हर्मेंट, बट देर आर सो मेनी अदर फॅसिलिटीज वीच वी कॅन डू ऑन द ग्राउंड फ्लोर. वी कॅन डू सम शॉप्स एंड गिव इट ऑन लॉंग टर्म लीज and take the revenue in advance or monthly revenue which will take care of the entire maintenance of this building. एक 15-20 शॉपाचो जर बांदून ग्राउंड फ्लोराचेर आमी रेंटाक दीत जाल्यार तेजो रेवेन्यू जो आहा आख्खी मेंटेन जातली बिल्डिंग. प्लस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑफ ऑल गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिस ऑल दीस कॅन बी टेकन केअर ऑफ. सो ही असली बिल्डींग येत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता म्हापशाक फायदो जातलो आनी बार्देसच्या लोकांक आनी नॉर्थ गोवाच्या लोकांक फायदो जातलो. वन हॉल which all functions can also take place, some meetings which are there. Any department wants to have a meeting, a small and a big hall, means together partition घाली जाल्यार धाकटे जाले. व्हडले टॉप लेवल फ्लोराचेर एक हॉल करूंक जाता. फिर that hall can be used for multiple purpose, especially
during elections also.
Everything can be done.
Yeah, during for the
training of
workshops, form.
आता ते ह्या थिंगा वयताच जागो ना.
Mapsa is facing huge traffic problem, parking problem. If you are going to shift electricity,
we are proposing 20-meter road. Now you hear one simple thing. People who are coming from other side, that is Thivi, Maldona, they get that new road to come in. So that road also has to be immediately completed from the highway, because highway authority has agreed to build that small bridge. It's like a mini culvert to come on the land on this side, because there is water below. Any agree केल्ले ना.
So it will just come in here only.
So that 20-meter road is coming here in touching this building on the other side, touching this compound wall on the other side. And from the proposed bus stand, there is a road coming and connecting this. So it's a full road, 20 meters width road. So people who come from Kalamgud side or Anjuna side, they come from that side and come here. So it's not a very big.
My worry is that there won't be congestion in Mapsa city.
No, nobody will go to Mapsa city. Everybody will take that road and come here. Because that is going to be more convenient. 20 meters road coming from new bus stand up to this point, and from this point to go up to the highway.
So you don't need
whoever
to go
wants
through
to
the
exit
city.
out,
Take the highway and go.
anybody is going Thivim side, Bicholim side or Shiolim side also, they take this highway and go. Nobody has to go and congest the market. All proper signages, everything has to be done. See, planning is very important of this place, Mapsa, which has been done earlier. Execution is remaining. And I feel Mapsa Municipal Council along with the MLA should immediately start this process, not only of this building, of that road also. NOCs are being taken. I think 50% NOCs we have already got now of the road.